There is words with English and Urdu translation. There was a cat. एक बिल्ली थी. There was a cat. There was a book. एक किताब थी. There was a book. There was a ball. एक गेंद था. There was a ball. There was a dog. एक कुत्ता था. There was a dog. There was a bird. एक परिंदा था. There was a bird. There was a car. एक गाड़ी थी. There was a car. There was a toy. एक खिलौना था. There was a toy. There was a house. एक घर था. There was a house. There was a tree. एक दरख्त था. There was a tree. There was a boy. एक लड़का था. There was a boy. There was a man. एक आदमी था. There was a man. There was a pen. एक कलम था. There was a pen. There was a cup. एक कप था. There was a cup. There was a bus. एक bus थी. There was a bus. There was a shop. एक दुकान थी. There was a shop. There was a hat. एक टोपी थी. There was a hat. There was a girl. एक लड़की थी. There was a girl. There was a map. एक नक्शा था. There was a map. There was a fish. एक मछली थी. There was a fish. There was a cake. एक केक था. There was a cake. There was a bell. एक घंटी थी. There was a bell. There was a box. एक डब्बा था. There was a box. There was a star. एक स्टार था. There was a star. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई. और वीडियो आएंगे. देखते रहना और पीछे जाके ये वीडियो रिपीट करना. आपको इंशाल्लाह इंग्लिश आ जाएगी. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.